to talk about noun, and noun in that case today's topic is number. So dear friends, there are two types of number, two kinds of number. The first one is singular and the second one is plural. You know, these are two kinds or types of numbers. So whenever we make any change of the noun or the subject of the sentence, so firstly we add s at the end of the noun. For example, boy, so boys. Okay, book, so books. A cat, so a cat would be changed into cats. Elephant, okay, so an elephant should be changed into elephants, right? This is a way we can just make plural of the singular noun. Now we should also see these here. What is written here? How many types or kinds of numbers? Who will give me this answer firstly? Okay, now first you.
Singular and plural are the two types of numbers.
Okay, singular and plural are the two kinds or types of the numbers. Good boy, please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Excellent. Okay, and so there are two types of the numbers, singular and plural. Fine. So for example, first written, what is written here? This is a, who will read the first? Who will read? Who will read? Yeah. Nisha?
Yes.
You will read here first. What is written here first?
This is a pen.
This is a pen. So this, we have placed it down.
Thank you, sir.
So this would be changed into these, and is would be changed into are. So these are pens. The right answer is these are pens. Fine, got it?
Yes.
Okay. So now next, please, second one. Who will read the next one?
Pen.
Okay, now one. Who will read first one?
The baby is playing.
The baby is playing. Okay. So my dear students, if y comes at the end of the noun, then y would be removed and its changed would be ies. Okay. So baby would be changed into babies. So what will be the right answer? You can say me, please. Mehul.
The babies are playing.
The babies are playing. Good boy. Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Good. Excellent. Now please next. Third. Okay, third. Who will read the third?
Yes.
Okay, anyone only?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you.
He is an honest man.
Okay, he is an
Honest
honest man. Great. Fine. So now what will be its answer?
They are honest men.
Okay, good boy. So yeah, excellent. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Excellent. Good. So he would be changed into they. R would be changed into. Is would be changed into R, and MA and man would be changed into ME and man. Okay. So some nouns are those which cannot be made plural by using S or ES, but they are changed, completely changed. For example, MA and man would be changed into ME and man. Woman would be changed into women. Okay. Woman would be changed into women. Foot would be changed into feet. Tooth would be changed into teeth. So on and so forth. Okay. So this is the way. Now next, who will read the next sentence?
Man.
Okay, yeah, and this is he is an honest man. So right answer will be they are honest men. Okay, now next, who will read next?
Man.
Yeah, you can please.
This is a watch.
This is a watch. Okay, and what will be the correct answer of this one?
These are watches.
These are watches. Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so please remember, class, that if the end of the noun S, double S, SH, CH, S or O come, then that noun would be changed by adding es instead of s at the end of the noun. So the plural would be made by es, not by s. Okay. So you should remember, you should keep keep this in your mind, that if the noun if the noun comes with by s, double s, sh, ch, x or o, so it would be changed by adding es instead of s. Okay, so the correct answer would be the watches. This is a watch, so the correct answer would be these are watches. Excellent. Now please next. Okay, now one more thing. We'll read. We'll read the next one.
This is
Yeah, you. Who will read?
this is a juice.
This is a
Juice.
juicy tomato. Fine. This is a juicy tomato. Okay. So the correct answer would be these are juicy tomatoes. Okay. So O comes at the end of tomato. So es would be the correct answer. So tomato would be changed into tomatoes. Okay. Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Excellent. Now next. Who will read the next? Okay. Now please you.
This is a piano.
This is a piano. Okay. This is a piano. So now correct answer, Suresh.
These are pianos.
These are pianos. So es would be come there. Fine. Excellent. Okay. Now please next one. Okay. Only one student who will give the correct answer. Stand up and say.
Math.
Yeah. You can please. Rahul Veda.
This is an ox.
This is an ox. Okay. And what will be the correct answer of this ox? Yeah, you can say.
These are oxen.
These are oxen. So ox would be come by even es or even en. Both are correct answers. So you can also call the oxes and you can also change by oxen. Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Yeah. Next. Okay. Next. Okay. Only one per student to stand up and give this answer. Who will read?
This is a leaf.
This is a leaf. Okay, leaf. So what comes at the end of the leaf? You know, F. Okay. So if F or FE comes at the end of the noun gender, then F or FE would be removed and it would be the correctly made by VES. You know. For example, wife would be changed by wives. Knife would be changed by knives. So leaf would be changed by leaves. Okay, now so can you make this answer?
These are
Leaves.
Leaves.
Okay, these are leaves. Okay, this is a leaf. So the correct answer would be these are leaves. Sit down. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Correct. Good. Next. Who will get it?
Next.
Only one student.
This is a strong shape.
This is a strong shape. So the correct answer would be
These are strong shapes.
these are strong sails. Yeah, correct. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Excellent. Now next one.
Next.
Okay, only one student who will read the next one. Yeah. Stand up and read. Who will read? Sailesh. Now,
Sir, noun is ending.
noun has been just talked, but yeah, we will just go through the exercise here, okay? And fill in, you have to change the noun into singular to plural. Okay, now first, who will read the example? Yeah? Okay, only one student.
The man sold a tomato.
Okay, Mr. Praveen. Yes, Bhulia Praveen. The man sold a tomato. So the right answer would be Praveen.
The man sold tomatoes.
The man sold tomatoes. Correct answer. Please take this chocolate.
Thank you, sir.
Good boy. Excellent. Please. It's a happiness for you. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now, please. Who will read the next?
Next.
Okay. Now, one student will stand up and read. Okay.
Keep the glass on the table.
Yes, Sarah. Mohania Sarah. Keep the glass on the Table. Okay. And what will be the correct answer, my dear student?
Keep the glasses on the table.
Okay. Keep the glasses on the table. So keep this chocolate with you also. Sit down, please.
Thank you, sir.
Good girl. So glass would be changed into glasses because double S has come. So double S would be made by ES. Okay. Okay. Now next one. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Only one student will start up.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You, Sailesh.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
The child will play in the garden.
Okay. The child will play in the garden. So my dear students, as I told you, some nouns are typical. They are not made by adding s or es at the end of the noun, but they are just completely changed by their spellings. So yeah, you can just give me this correct answer.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
The children will play in the gardens.
The children will. Child would be changed into children, and garden would be changed into gardens. So the children will be. The children will be playing, or even the children will play in the garden. Good, my dear. Keep this chocolate with you. Excellent.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, excellent. Please sit down.
Thank you.
Do the best. Yeah. Now next, who will read the next?
Yes.
Okay. Anybody wants only one student will read only this one. Who will read that?
Yes, sir.
Only you again. Again you.
Yes, sir.
Anybody else, please? Does anybody give me this answer instead of Sailesh? Nobody. Oh my God. Yes. Only you. Yeah. You can try, please.
Tom broke his tooth.
Tom broke his tooth. Okay, so now what will be the correct answer?
Tom broke his teeth.
Tom broke his teeth. So tooth would be changed into teeth. Good boy. Again you have chocolate, please. You are again winner. Please sit down. Yeah, again sit down. Next. Who will read the next sentence?
May I?
Yes, yeah. You can please stand up and read. Champa.
Wash your hand and foot.
Wash your hand and food. Yes, wash your hand. In the morning when we get up in the morning and we wash our hands and food. So, correct answer, Nisha, Champa, yeah.
Wash your hands and feet.
Okay, so foot would be changed into feet and hand would be in hand. So, you are excellent, girl. Please keep this chocolate with you. Sit down, please.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so foot would be changed into feet. Hand would be changed into hands, plural, singular and plural. Now next please.
Yes,
Yes, Mr. Rahul, you can please. Meda Rahul or no? This time Khaped Rahul, yes.
The woman has a baby in her arms.
The woman has a baby in her arms. Okay, and what will be the correct answer of this one?
The woman have babies in their arms.
Okay, the woman would be changed into women. So MAN would be changed into MEN. So the women have the babies in their arms. You are also very excellent boy in my class. Excellent. So now, take your place. Sit. Yeah. Next. Who will read the next one? Who will read? Anybody will read this one? Nobody? This sentence is very excellent, yeah. So you just read and I will just give you this answer. Yeah, only just read, yeah. Yes, you read.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, excellent. Why not?
I have taken my key and watch.
Okay, so I have taken my key and watch. So I would be changed into we. Okay, the correct answer would be we have taken. Please, okay. We have taken our keys and watches. Okay, please answer now. Okay, good, nice, for ready. Okay, you again on this chocolate. You have just a lot of gifts. Christmas gift? No, it's a Vivekananda Jayanti gift for you. Yeah. Okay, so up to this, thank you everybody, my dear students. Thank you for giving this response. Good response. So clapping for your awareness. You just encourage by yourself basically. Okay, excellent, like this. Put everybody. Give this way.